everybody. QuickBooks is the #1 choice in accounting software. And if you Google it, you can find out there's like 29 million business owners using it every day. And it's probably growing as we speak. It's easy to use. It's inexpensive. And anybody can do it. You don't need an accounting degree or any kind of experience in bookkeeping to use QuickBooks. And that is where the trouble begins. Well, that was fun. So, my name is Dita Clifton, if I haven't met you yet. And as you can tell, I'm good and new at this Facebook Live stuff. But the intention is there. Hi, Jennifer. How's it going so far? So my name is Dita Clifton. I'm the CEO and founder of TheOfficeSquad. And if you have not met me, I would like to meet you. So if you want to put your comments in the comment bar below, I would love to know who you are, where you're from. So just chat in there, your name of your company. If you have any questions about QuickBooks, we're going to cover a few things today. Today's video, we're going to cover number 4 of the top 10 QuickBooks errors that we see most often in QuickBooks. I have 10 that I'm going to go through. We're going to do them one a week, thereabouts. So today we're going to do number 4. The first couple, we did number 1, number 2, and number 3 already. So let's backtrack a little bit, tell you about those. Number 1 is the chart of accounts. A lot of business owners that go out and buy QuickBooks have no idea what the bookkeeping or the accounting part is. They just want to track the money, send the invoices. No worries. But you get QuickBooks and it asks you some questions when you start your data file. And it builds a chart of accounts for you. So if you don't know what the chart of accounts is, it's very important that you kind of learn it. That's where all the money flows in and out of. I call it the backbone of your bookkeeping. If it is out of whack, then the whole thing is out of whack. Number 2 that we covered was the balance sheet. What the heck is a balance sheet? When business owners start out, get QuickBooks, start putting data into it, they want to see the P&L, the profit and the loss, what they collected in income and what the expenses are that went out. And that bottom line number at the bottom, we hope is positive. But a lot of times when you look at your P&L, that bottom number is a big number, we hope, in a positive direction. And you look at your bank account and you think, okay, well, that kind of money is not in my bank account, so where's the rest of it? I didn't make that much money. Well, the other half is on your balance sheet. That's where the assets, the liabilities, and the equity goes. So if you have any debt on assets, you're paying that loan off, that's not going to be on your P&L. It's going to be on your balance sheet. So you got to know number 2, what's the balance sheet? We also covered number 3 already, which is reviewing. We get so busy in the day-to-day of running the business, creating the invoices, depositing the checks, getting the clients, doing the sales, we forget to take a moment and review what's going on. What is all that data? Why does it matter? You got to look at it. So take a breather, review. So that catches us up today with number 4. If you're still with me, send me a like, thumbs up, something so I know you're out there. All right, I know you're out there. Come on. Alex, I see you. Amber, I see you. Give us a thumbs up. So number 4, and it's a big one, folks. Mixing business with personal. And I know I'm probably going to get some feedback on the fact that I'm a small business owner, Dita, and my business is my personal. Everything goes in and out. Well, it can go in and out. You just need to post it correctly. Most of it's going to be owner's draws. So as long as you put that in your QuickBooks correctly, you post it the right way, then you're not going to have issues. What we see a lot is people that are really, no kidding, writing checks for the mortgage out of their business account, or the kids' tuition, they're writing a check out of their business account. And they think it's okay because it's their money, it's their business. No, it's not okay. That's called mixing, commingling, and it's not a good thing. So open a business account, have a personal account. If you need to pay some personal bills, or write yourself a check or take a draw, post it in your QuickBooks correctly. Don't mix business and personal. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We've got those covered. Next week, we'll do number 5. If you want to review what we've already covered or jump ahead a little bit, you can go to our website, www.TheOfficeSquad.com, and you scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. There's a spot there to download the ebook. It has all 10 in a little more detail. Also working on a webinar that will have questions and answers. So thank you so much for joining me for the fun today, and I will talk to you next week.